Welcome to phase 4. So far, we have built machine learning models in notebooks. Everything worked well, but many people face a shock when they go to real jobs. Their model works in notebook but fails in production. In this phase, we will understand why. We will understand building a model is only 20% of real world machine learning and the remaining 80% is production. So let's move on. Machine learning models often perform well in controlled notebook environments, but fail when deployed in production due to fundamental differences in context. In notebooks, everything is controlled. Clean data, small data set, one person working on that, one machine, no users, no failures. But when we talk about the production system, everything gets changed. Messy data, large volumes, multiple users, APIs and system, latency, cost, failures. So the production is not harder because of ML. It is harder because of systems. So a model that works on your laptop can fail the moment it is deployed. And what could be the possible reasons? Different data, different scale, different expectations, and different constraint. These are some of the things which are the major cause. So many courses stop at notebooks. They teach models, not systems. That is why learners feel unprepared in jobs. But phase 4 exists to fix this gap. In phase 4, we will learn how machine learning works in real systems. We will cover what production ML really means, deployment basics, API versus batch, cloud ML concept, AWS, Azure, GCP, and data drift and model drift, monitoring and retraining, failure and debugging, cost versus accuracy trade off, real world decision making. This is where AI becomes a real job skills. So let's move on. Well, a notebook environment are designed for experimentation and learning, offering simplicity and control. Data is typically pre-processed, small in size and static, enabling rapid prototyping and model iteration. In contrast, production environments are dynamic and complex. Data arrives continuously from multiple sources, often unstructured or noisy, requiring real-time pre-processing and validation. So, success in real-world deployment require not only strong machine learning skills but also expertise in software engineering, system design, and operational monitoring. So the common production problems are model works locally, fails in API, prediction drift over time, input data format changes, latency becomes too high, cost increases unexpectedly. Nobody knows when the model is wrong. So the key line is there are not these are not ML problems, these are production problems. So, in production, the best model is not always the most accurate one. It is the most reliable, stable, and maintainable one. This is industry truth. So, what we will not do in this phase 4, we will not jump into tools blindly. We will not copy paste cloud services. We will not we will first understand why production is different. So phase 3 taught you how to build models. Phase 4 will teach you how to run them in real world. This is how ML engineers think. So who this phase is for? This phase is for learners who want to work with AI professionally. If you want real world readiness, this phase is critical. So, the summary is notebook success does not guarantee production success. Production requires system thinking. Phase 4 bridges the gap between learning and real jobs. In the next video, we will start with the most basic production question. How does a trained ML model actually get used by other systems? We will answer this step by step. So, see you in next video. Thank you.